For this weekend at Mid-Ohio, we've used a C7 Grand Sport front fender flare, and that allowed us to run the 315 660 plus. And this weekend was an absolute game changer. The car feels so good.
Much better today. Made a lot of changes to the car last night, and it's like a different car this morning.
Made a couple of tweaks to the car. I have a couple of things I'm going to try on the track. Hopefully that'll be enough to get us a record. We're about a second and a half off of our record. So we put stickers on for this morning, and then of course it rained, hoping that that'll get us to where we want to be for the weekend.
I was a little greasy this morning in the TC race. There was definitely probably a little bit of moisture. Guys were definitely be a little bit tentative at the start of the race. We broke a final drive yesterday as well. So when they changed the transmission, I think that really had a lot to do with why the alignment was out and why we struggled so much in qualifying.
Pretty motivated and pumped after qualifying. We put it on pole. We were 0.9 faster than Aaron Lichty in that C8, and that was exciting, awesome. Everything felt great. I did everything that I could to try to keep overlap during that first lap, and he just had a little tiny bit extra, and then we proceeded to go like faster than pole. Both of us, every lap that entire race, we both were just like digging deep and finding a little bit extra. So just a fast car and a really good driver. And you know, when you're racing a GLTC champion, Aaron Lichty won in the first year in 2019 in a car of that level. It's gonna be tough, and it was tough.
Tie rod bent, inner and outer. Luckily the knuckle wasn't hit, but the lower control arm was bent.
So far the best of the weekend is 130.0, and I believe the record from 2023 is 129.7. So we're getting pretty damn close.
Weekend was good. We got rained out the first day. We were gonna do some testing on Thursday. We got rained out Friday morning. We got rained out again. And then finally we got some good weather. Track was amazing. Love that track. It's one of my favorites now. We got the car rolling around pretty good. We got good temps in the tires. And then quickly we just started shedding time every lap. It was great. We were like a second to half a second every lap, going faster and faster. Then you got down to a 28 there, which is not the greatest, but it's still okay. But it's still getting comfortable in the car, getting comfortable in the track. Yeah, so I guess next we'll see you guys at Lime Rock.